Today, I'll show you how to switch between apps in Windows 11 and 10 quickly and efficiently. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. The easiest way is using Alt plus Tab. Just press and hold the Alt key, then tap the Tab key to cycle through all open apps. Release both keys when you land on the app you want. For a more visual experience, press Windows plus Tab. This opens Task View, where you can see all open apps and even switch between desktops if you're using multiple ones. If you're using a laptop with a touchpad, you can switch between apps with a 3-finger gesture. Place 3 fingers on the touchpad and swipe up to open Task View. From there, click on the app you want. To quickly switch between running apps, swipe left or right with 3 fingers. For taskbar users, hover over app icons to see a thumbnail preview and click on the one you need. And don't forget Snap Assist. Drag a window to the edge of your screen and it'll snap into place. Windows will suggest other apps to fill the remaining space. Lastly, if you're a fan of shortcuts, press Alt plus ES to switch between apps in the order you opened them, without the preview screen. That's it. Now you can switch between apps like a pro, whether you're using a keyboard, touchpad, or the taskbar.